think those are my thoughts about that. Everybody can't do this. Everybody can't think like Sunflower. Have a real
You
problem.
notice though how she was just for the first, I actually counted. She went me,
Me, me, me.
and again, there's nothing wrong with asking yourself, like, is this person bringing value into my life? Do we have the same values and beliefs and what have you? But this is what I find with a lot of now, and again, I keep saying it's not women in their 20s, they're in their 30s, they're in their 40s, and in their 50s. They're all talking about how they will benefit from a partnership or from marriage or from things. And then when you investigate, like, okay, great, that's a great list, 100 items that you need to be happy or whatever it is. Now let's talk about you. And they're like confused, like, what? I'm supposed to read, I'm supposed to have, somebody's going to have a standard for me to meet? Wow, what do you mean? And it's more common than you can ever think. The modern woman is extremely underdeveloped in terms of building a family, a community, or anything beyond the career. They tend to be very developed, very educated, and will climb the corporate ladder or whatever it is, will go to all these trainings about how to market, about how to be successful in the business world. But they're very, very underdeveloped, even just to be a mother. And some of them are already mothers, but they're extremely underdeveloped in terms of what it takes to be a really good mother to that child or to those children, and underdeveloped in terms of how to build a marriage, a community, and a family, and even wealth.